Kunye. Ezi dikano. Onyo shidi. Kunye neba hobegu. Kunye silim nenu akwa mpo. Ina your salon your breeze and your breeze. Isi salon nya nenu akwa nne.
Ugonshi or whatever they call your name. Look, I don't understand what you're saying.
I have just said you are a husband snatcher. Get up from my bed. You are sneezing rubbish. Your breeze and your breezes on my bed. Could you say before?
Look, I didn't just come here. My husband asked me to stay here. Please, I don't have time to exchange words with you. I need to rest.
You need to rest. Ichi rest or how back here rest. You will not rest the labor. Jen and Balezi, it all did in the labor. Did you hear me?
I can't hear you. And please leave me alone.
I never. Ngoma wonye Yoruba. Na kwamkunye. Iyo ina mi fe.
Gently, why you?
Gentle. Nyasirim nenu akwamkunye.
My love, please take this girl out of this place. I beg of
you. Osnogun. Onye ki na your love?
Osugo.
Sinam no go. Did you just call my husband your love? Do not call my husband your love again. Love don't fame man.
Marry someone who is not educated.
Nguma educate here. Ya guys jam imi mama he boss. Yo putan si jam ni mpe. Ya kiti.
Yes.
Where do you think you are running away to? Where do you think you are running to? Where do you think you are going to?
How are you doing?
What is it?
I'm worried.
Why?
See, Jude, you like me, people. Everybody in your place don't like me. Your wife hates me. Your mother hates me. Everybody here hates me.
How did you know that? Who told you that?
And everybody in short hates me. I even heard you fighting with one of your uncle. I don't even know the man.
See, my dear, you shouldn't be bothering yourself with...
Let me bother. I have to bother. Is this where I'll stay till I give birth to my unborn baby?
Please, I'm sorry. See, let me tell you something. You see, our love is passing through a test of time. Don't forget that love is patient. Love is forgiving and accommodating. Don't worry with time here.
What is it?
What's the meaning of this?
You don't know this is my husband. If there is balance, you want to claim territory. Only Ziligu who sent you.
Okay, what I thought I've explained to you.
There's nothing to explain here. This man is my husband. Do not come in between. If you come near my husband again, I'll pour you hot oil. Many things in this house.
Explain to you now to relax. Just give me time.
You brought this upon yourself. Inuge, you are my husband. Legally married though. Nka concubine. She should not come in between you and I. You are the SAG and I am the SAG's wife. Yes! The wife to the king of Yam.
Be my darling, my honey. I will never leave you. We're together forever. Oh, be my darling, my honey. I will never leave you. We're together forever. Oh, I will never leave you, my love. Be my darling, my honey. I will never
I greet you, sir.
May your tongue drop into your stomach. So this is the Lagos woman, eh? Obinna. Do you know that as the Zeji of Obunike, our goals and tradition forbid what you are doing?
Yes, but let me ask you. Does also our God forbid people from being in love, true love? Eh? This our God. Does he also deny a man to forsake a woman that is pregnant for him? No, Uncle, check good here from your side. Odimma, is it nice?
Hey! Tufiakwa! Aro! Hey, wait! Tufiakwa! Aro!
It's nothing, don't worry. Just my uncle. I'll settle with him.
Aro!
Sit down, Joe.
Tufiakwa!
No, leave him.
Tufiakwa!
Don't cry now. I don't like it when you cry. You break my heart. Eh? Nothing will happen to you. Remember, I'm the only one you have right now, so I won't let anything come to you. Okay? I love you. Yeah? Sorry, my love. Sorry, yeah? Sorry, baby. Sorry, my love.
If me, Odoputa, be my darling, my honey.
My love.
I will never leave you. We're together forever. Oh, Ololufe. If me, Odoputa, be my darling, my honey. I will never leave you. We're together forever.
Love, what wrong did I do in allowing you to marry my daughter? Hey, Zeji!
I'm okay. Please, I'm not in the mood for all this now, please.
Did you see that? Did you hear him? He no longer calls me Uncle as he used to call me. But let me tell you, Zeji, you will not disgrace my daughter in this village. I will not allow you to disgrace my daughter and my family.
What is it, Gon? What is it now? He's not in the mood. He's not there. They fuck me silly. What is it? I can't fight you people. I can't just fight you people because I'm pregnant. If not, my show in Lepo. No, you po. Oh, what is up here? Leave me alone. Let me talk.
Are you talking to me?
Yes, I'm talking about. Only today when we should be challenging me and my mother.
Can you put your mouth?
Ebele want to challenge you. Open that mouth again. Leave my husband! What is this now? Leave him now! Oh!
Uncle, take it easy now. Do you want to kill my son? Why should they send you beat up my pregnant daughter? Why should he? Eh? Why? Did you beat up on me?
No, I'll just...
You just go lost here.
Hey! What?
think because you're the SAG, you can talk to anybody as you want. Obina, as in school you attend, meaning is sensitive, that you no longer have respect for my father and our tradition.
Is it me you're talking to like this? Do you know why I'm laughing? Are you not the same Chedu? The same little Chedu that used to run muka through the nose into the mouth that I used to help clean up? The one that I held by the hand and crossed the road? You have the guts to talk to me like that?
Obina, I have come to warn you to stop inflicting pains on my father and to stop desecrating our tradition, Obina. Adiamachi, you fugitive. You ran off with a woman without a pillow case.
Chinedu!
Mama,
When did this one start?
how dare you talk to your senior brother like that?
Mama Nuku, if not for the respect I have for you and our tradition, I would have shown Obina what I'm capable of.
Okay, if you have any respect for me, you should get out of my compound.
Mama Nuku, Kopo.
Eh?
Mama Kopo.
Do that thing you want to do. I said do it! Do it!
SAG.
Ibo lẹ ti rí wèrè aláṣọ lélẹ̀ ẹgbà wá wèrè lélẹ̀ yóò.
Shut up, you prostitute! You called me were. News and a visit Lagos. I will show you my style.
Yeah, Silo.
Mama.
Silo.
Mama.
Chinedu Naba.
Mama. I have one gun for sauce. What's up?
Okay, Mama.
Get it to your skull. SAG, I'm not going to say joke.
Wèrè ó yẹ kó forí ẹ̀ dànù ni.
Chinedu.
Ayé mi o! Ẹ gbà mí wèrè! Ó fẹ́ fọ́ lórí! Yé! Ọlọ́wọ́! Àwọn ọmọ Igbo tuntun bẹ̀rẹ̀! Wọ́n ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ ìjà rẹ̀ o! Àwọn ọmọ Igbo! Olúwa o! Ọkọ mi o!
Hey, come on, my friend. Come and get inside.
They're abusing the water.
Get inside, my friend. Why are you embarrassing me?
You say get inside.
I say get inside.
Is it not your fault? Is it not your fault?
I say get
Are you the one
inside.
that brought her into this compound? If you had not brought her here, this would not be happening.
Mama, why are you increasing the tempo?
Mama,
Mama, to go is enough.
it was not like that.
You are winning way now.
Go inside. Mama, I don't like this. You're getting me more confused.
I'm looking at what you're wearing. You don't talk to me anyhow because your father is not alive.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Go inside. So I don't like this. Mama, I have enough problems on my head already.
My people, that is the situation now. Yes. This age has 2 women who are pregnant for him. Ogechi, one Ilwane, and one Imba, another woman he brought from a distant land. Yes, but you people should not forget that after Obinna, the next age must come from the woman he married traditionally. Yes. Because that is the one approved by the gods.
Even witness.
Yes.
But Uche, my fellow elders, the AZG has put dust on our faces.
Good observation.
That's good observation.
That's very correct. So, in that case, I'm sending you. Yes.
Ibelwe.
And yes, Ibelwe. And Chiara to him as a mistress. He has to appease the gods.
Yes.
For disrespecting them. Hey. Yes. And Ndulwe.
Oh?
You will make them 3. Yes.
Okugamaka, you have spoken well, but wait. I have seen Eke, I have seen Ori, I have seen Nwankwo, but where is Afo? You have to complete them 4. Yes. Always raise.
You can join them.
You can cancel.
Complete.
That's right.
Ndị iche ibe m, ndị ọzọ na ndị ize. What surprises me most here is that the gods are still quiet. They are still keeping silent, even after he had held them to contempt. Can't the gods even remove him?
Are you telling us here you want to fight for the gods? Would you allow the gods to fight for themselves? Eh?
Greet the elders of our land.
Good afternoon, sirs.
Don't worry, I'll see. I'll be with you soon. Emumeji.
Obinna. You are no longer qualified to chant Emumeji until you have gone to appease the gods. You're damned.
You must go and see Ozukanku with a white cockerel, 1 he-goat, and 4 kola nuts.
That is it.
Yes.
That is it.
Oh, let me ask. Where am I supposed to get this money from?
Huh? What kind of question is this?
You all know my condition now.
Obinna. In a jump can join.
Oh!
Are you asking us so that we can ask who?
No,
okay. Huh? So better go and ask the gods whom you have insulted.
Yes.
And let me tell you. Go and see Ozukampu before it is too late.
That is it. Did you get that message crystal clear? Did you?
You must have gotten the message.
No.
Let's go. What of the kola nuts and the...
Eat your kola nut. Eat your kola nut.
These people, they won't just understand. How man got up and what can you even me?
What I want, Mongo, I don't move over. I had a baby over Zelu. I said, I want to wait, Mongo, when I had a move over Zelu. Iche Uchendo.
Ozukampu, I don't know what to do, honestly, because he is getting worse by the day. He says he cannot appease the gods, that he doesn't have money.
But what has to be done has to be done. Because Namiri Dolu Neju Dolu Wankata.
You see, the first time he misbehaved, I was responsible for the appeasement. So, should I do it once again because Obinna is incapable?
If you do not do it, it might affect you first, because the baboon and monkey come from the same family.
But with this behavior, will he still remain this age?
That question is meant for the gods and the goddess of Allah.
But how can he desecrate the land, disregard the gods, and still remain this age?
The gods are not mere mortals. Yes, we shouldn't think for them. They know what to do, and they will do when they want to do. I can see anger written all over your face. Go. Go Do all you are supposed to do. Leave the rest for the gods.
If your does not have money to buy water for you, go down to Nkisi and fetch your own water. Okay, it is not my auto you want to you use. You are pregnant, I am pregnant. There's no difference.
You know I'm not used to suffering where I'm coming from. I'm not used to fetching water. Just one button, water will come out. You are used to suffering.
Me, I'm used to suffering.
Look, Ngonshi, just leave me.
Hey! My name is not Ngonshi. Your name is Ogechi. My name is Ogechi.
Your name is Ogechi.
Ogechi.
Spell it.
It's a volleyball.
Spell it. Odoputa. Bush girl. My husband friend money. Ododoji. E-C-H-I. Ododoji. I don't fetch water. So die here, drink your water. Drink your water. I will slap you in your mouth.
Peter, each of me take his jet on me, yeah. Look, Mama, it is better if you know who Buki is. Please warn her. She should not touch any water I fetch in this house. If she wants water to do anything, if she wants to do anything with water, she should go down to Kiss and fetch her own. Is that what I'm doing?
Good afternoon. Come boy, let me tell you. Naga wala wala, Naga vem na fwe. Look at you. Where are you coming from? Your mates have been back since. Chinedu, who is in the same school with you, came back since last week. Now you're just flying in like a butterfly. Ebere see.
Mama, Ini Edo no. You think about all sorts. I'm at UNN while Chinedu is at Enugu State University. And they finished the exams a week ago. That's why he called me.
It's already! Surprise! So good to see you.
What are you doing here?
Jude brought me here to your village.
Yes, see your belly.
Is it this one that you're saying that you're talking? I've stayed long here, I'll tell you. I can now sing your song.
Are you serious?
I can cook many of your soup. Let me sing for you now.
I'm listening.
Okay, take position. Get ready to
Okay.
dance. Okay. Oh, if them there we wear the arguments of Unya. Also, what the girl.
Oh, if them we wear ya the girls who wear ya. Also, nothing ya the girls who wear ya. Oh, if them we wear ya the girls who wear ya.
My friend, I can cook soup.
Are you serious?
Yes. This soup. Olugo, Ruki, Omongo na Maroti. Then I can cook Ora. You know I sang that song. Oh, even the women, everybody in this village they are wearing well. This but even wearing well.
They don't want you to be upset.
You don't understand. Let me help you. He has gone to the market. So this Oyinliya market.
Okay.
Oye Olisa. Oye Milsa. You even know if I not bothering me.
Don't worry, I'll teach you so many other things.
You even know.
Mom said I'll teach you so many other things.
Hey! Edith! So you planned with Obinna to destroy my home and make me a laughing stock in Obunike.
Mama, I met her when I went to Lagos and she was quite nice to Jude and I. So
hey! Mama, Ifuge na iti ita wonyi hu abo. I'm telling you. Hey! You're having two face.
How?
He were two face. Hey! Edith Imam that girl. He's the wicked.
It is what the wicked, the wicked person. It is your
Mama, one will get you. One had not insult me. All can it be
insult to be making it. Insult to be making it. Hey, so he arranged on your phone one for your brother. Now marriage him, you will only see that shaving. Are you not a wicked person? Yeah, it was only the Jezebel. You are the latest Jezebel. China made Jezebel. It's your
Mama. I can't take this anymore.
You can't take it. When you can walk out on. You can't take it. It will never ask him. It was quite nice. Chopping and on your kinawa. On your kinawa. Can't walk waggy. If you will know to not walk. You are even that way. Watch them. Watch them.
And you? Were you abusing me?
I was doing you makeup.
Hey,
yeah, it is. Okay, the money just chalum no now. Chalum no now. Makobo no home, okay? I will show you Pepe. Nyam, go second on will cook keep. What do you know will cook keep?
Cheregodi, Omuki na po, Okuku Iwa. Nga wagi na giwa kwa kwa. You know go Hey!
Mama! You did slapped me, oh! You slapped me, oh! Oh, my mother, my no! Oh, my mother, my no!
Why did you make this kind of mistake? Why?
And you try to put any condom, it will fall.
You insist, force it.
Or the one is easy.
You force it.
You think it's easy? That is not even my biggest problem. Now, one of my other major problems now is your school. Yes. By the time you go back for your final year now, or when you're ready to go back, I don't know how you were going to cope. As for money, that's even the one that is even boiling my head right now.
Wait. So what are you telling me? That I'm going to drop out of school?
That's not what exactly I'm saying, but it's just that it's been from one problem to the other. From my business center to the saga of Buki getting pregnant to double marriage, then fourthly is SAG, and finally I'm back home doing nothing.
But you would have avoided some of these problems if you had forced this thing to enter. I mean, you would have stopped some of these problems.
No, you think it's very easy? I opened my eye and set fire on my head, Abby.
You just don't get name me enjoy. No, cheerful in here.
Hey, it's enough. I don't like that.
He has not called me all this month.
But as his very close friend, you should be able to take me there now, to know where he is. Don't tell you alone, dákun jọ̀ọ́.
Ẹ̀gbọ́n Willie, brother Willie, don't tell you alone, help us, help her. I post her here so you can help her locate her daughter. Help a woman that has been in place for some months now. Don't tell you alone.
Me, I don't want trouble, oh. I don't want anybody to call police for me, oh. I don't want to go to cell, oh, as you said.
Own family. Because it's obvious that for a very long time now, we've not had peace in this house. Especially since I came back with Uche. So I'm pleading that peace comes back to our family.
Ikusigo?
Yes, Mom.
Okuya Amaka. good talk. But there's something I want to tell you. He that brings in termite-infested firewood should be ready for the visit of the lizard. Now, can't go on again, Igbo, because you know sometimes your network are stable. Onye patalon kwaru singwele bialia ono.
Well, Mama, I do not understand where you're coming from. Neither do I see where you're going to. Okay. So explain to me, who is the person who is gathering the firewood? Who is a termite and who is a lizard?
If you find me, or that dabase, your brain where you gotta go. I will explain to you. Ndiwa bo binna, but the person put the firewood. This Lagos spider, a woman that you're not legally married to, a wedding mala, you see Lagos Bude is the termite. Well, Ogechi and myself are the lizards.
Supported. Supported. I support you 20 times.
Mama, be careful what you say before me.
Don't talk to me like that. I am not Obiageli Munyedi that you will tell to bring he-goat and tubers of yam. I will not do it. For your information, the gods have left you. Yes, you're asking for peace. Which peace? There shall be no peace in this house until you return this Lagos witch. Okay, for now. Oyana.
Uche, you are hearing now. Mama, I'm Lagos witch. Stop for you, Lagos witch.
I'm gonna marry. Mama, it's
okay now. What is this now? Mama, see you. 20 times. It's okay now. What is this?
It's another team.
Which team again?
It's another team.
Okay.
Mama,
see her now. She has no fun.
Stop!
Look at her. Oh, see.
Mama!
What's it? Who that bad? Alana Pusunu Nine. Never one Nabunisi. Since you started carrying this thing on your head, you've been misbehaving. Nonsense. I remember if I ran a drug and use it for ritual. Nonsense. Let me come here, Kogo.
Uju, my wonderful friend, the defender of the rejected. When last did you see our friend Ogechi?
So, Chum, you're so happy with what is happening to our friend Ogechi, right? Huh? So you think you're exempted? The same thing that happened to Ogechi cannot happen to you?
God forbid. Maybe you.
Oh, maybe me. So because you're Queen Elizabeth?
Yes.
You're Queen Elizabeth. You're Queen Elizabeth. That is why it cannot happen to you. Shebi? You was a queen.
Yes! What am I saying? I want to. You can see Chioma beating her. Yes, yes, yes. Giving her like this. Yes, yes. Uju, give her shining light. Give her like this. Uju.
Yes, Uju.
Look at it. Yes, yes, yes. Uju, Uju, give her enough. Yes. Yes, yes. Uju, stop. Uju, stop. What happened? Yes, Uju. I'll beat you. Yes, Uju. Uju, what happened? Yes. You. Come and carry your gallon. You're mad.
Don't carry your gallon. Come and carry your gallon. You will see it.
I was making you feel like we were fighting.
Help me.
Igwe. Eze di anyị mma n'Ogbunike. I greet you.
Ichendulo, K4. What is the problem that needs my urgent attention? I want you to go straight to the matter.
Igwe, it is only the race of no consequence that a woman would run gripping her breast. Our land, the fertility of our land is being threatened, Igwe. And this could affect the prosperity of our people.
Uche, Batu, you are still on the Iroko tree. I want you to come down and speak to me in a plain language.
Igwe, there is problem in our land. Right now, the SAG is doing Omenenu instead of Omenana. That is why I have run down quickly to let you know so that you will come into the matter before things get out of hand.
You are right. I am the Igwe. There's no doubt about that. But I want you to know that Igwe cannot do everything. If there is a problem within Emumeji, Iche, Uchendo would have informed me of that, and not you. Moreover, Ozu Kampu has the final say on that, not even me, the Igwe. Anyway, as a member of the Emumeji, my advice to you people is that you should go home and settle amicably. The head of the ram is in the bag of the ram. As you can see, I'm on my way to Oka. I have a meeting to attend with His Royal Highness, the Igwe Lazekwempe, the Ezendeze, and I can't keep him waiting. Good day.
Hey! Hey! Afuwa manya. Igwa umnana. Hey! Hey! Igwa umnana. Hey!
Yeah.
Ọkọ mi àtàtà. Ọ̀tún Otumba fúnrẹ̀. Ọkọ tèmi nìkan ṣoṣo. Otumba. Bàbá Sàlẹ̀kú fúnrẹ̀. Bàbá European. You see, my dear husband.
Yeah.
I have a favor to ask from you.
When I hear all those praises, I knew there is something behind it. What is the favor?
You see, my dear husband.
Yeah.
There's this meeting coming up in Ijuland, and you know that as the Relu of Ijuland, I can't afford to be absent from that meeting.
All right. When is the meeting?
It's the day after tomorrow.
So, well, you can go tomorrow then.
Yes, thank you, my dear husband. That's why I love you. Thank you for understanding the fact that, you know, the work of an Relu is very demanding and task.
That's why I'm in support of you becoming the Relu. That is why we are dressed as Otumba, Badmus, Fashola, and Erelu, Ronke, Sikira, Fashola. Is that not a good combination?
Thank you,
I will take my leave now. All right.
Take care of yourself.
I will see you when I come back.
Have a lovely day.
All right. Thank you. Yeah.
Obinna, memeji ka ị na-eme. Ga-eji agbapụta gị n'eze eji, nna gị mere ọfụma. Ikoma bịala gị. Fama afọ n'iru, fama afọ n'azụ. Ajọ mmanụ ajọ mama afọ gị. Ga-eme nke ọma ka nna gị si mee. Rise.
Emumeji, emumudo, obidolu na bobo.
Ichuchendu.
That was when tradition was tradition.
Oh, I see. That's the reason I was given 2 tubers of yam at my traditional marriage?
Yes. And that is why you must hold Ogechi to your heart and ensure that no woman comes between you and her.
No. Just prepared it now.
Oh yeah, go.
This is for you. Hey, Ezechi, this is for you.
Oh yeah, go.
You like it?
Thank you. Hey, well. Hey, wait. Hey.
Oh. Hey! No. It put us. What did you just say now? Hey! Ana kon kemeleme. Osaneme. It put us. Are you adding more salt to the picture? No. Did you come here to mock me? No. I'm actually. Ibialeba ipasugudu miwe. Ibialeba ichimochi. Did you come here to mock me? I'm asking you. Yes. Did you come here to mock me?
God forbid. The truth they say is bitter. It's you na fufu nanti. Okay, you thought by now your yam bags must have been filled with yams. Mobo na wage wa enoya. If you gani anu, you go no ga abele. This is what you do.
Skip the palacho. Ekutos, you are mad. Ekutos, I say you are very, very stupid. So I called you here
So that you will come and share in my grief.
If I'm here, Cholo, golf.
Get out of my house now! Get out of my house now!
Again, hey, the Panaya. No, other good Mamulam, Naya, a go up and go on with. But I'll put no for them. Hold your mother. Congratulations. Hold me now.
Mama Cherry go the first, eh? Let the news be broken before you start congratulating me.
Hey, don't say that. Don't say that. Very soon, within 24 hours, the news will be broken. And everybody will hear. Hey. Stop it. You did well.
What is good for the goose is good for the gander.
Don't worry. I prepared a nice chicken for you.
Hey.
Not goose. Come, I will feed you with my hands.
Hey.
Hey. Oh.
Hello. Hey, thank God. I've been looking for how to see you all this while. Oh, thank God I saw you here today.
Yeah, my name is Chioma. My name is Buki, Jude's wife from Ezinike, the Ezinke of this land.
She said Ezinke. Please, if it's Jude, the one I know that is from this village, his title is Ezeji, not Ezinke.
Thank you, Sioma. Thank you for this correction. You see, you know me, I'm not from this place. My tongue is not the same thing as your tongue. I'm not from this Oboke. If you are Ajokuta Mummy in our village.
You just called me Sioma, which is good shit. I'm not good shit now. And that thing is not Obunike. It is Obunike. Stop spoiling our names now.
Obuluke. Hey! See, you're my friend. You're my only friend in this village. I'm happy. Nobody will be talking to me. At least I have you now as my friend. Your tongue is thick, but I will be learning. Already, you know your tongue is different from our tongue. You people, you eat apu, jokuta mamumini. Understand?
You want to sell me too? No, now.
Where I come from, Oremi means my friend, and you are a sweet one at that. You are beautiful.
Oh, thank you. I learned Ogechi is giving you trouble.
Oremi.
See, the only solution to her, if she gives you trouble, give her back. That's the only way she will respect you. Don't allow her to intimidate you. Lie.
Sioma, you don't know me. See, I'm just pretending, I'm just pretending in this your village. If you know where I come from, they call me Omo Eko, Omo Isaleko, Ito Badgon, Ito Rayoshi. If I have time, I'm just slowing down. Mama Pada Nuni Leseko, Oremi, I will destroy her. Please, you don't know me.
I did not say you should go and kill somebody. Yeah?
No, I'm not going to kill her. But I will deal with her on your behalf. You will see. I will make you proud.
Bye-bye. My friend. Ore. Hey.
You like this?
I like it very well. When you finish this one, you just say amazing, child.
Go, you too like it.
Who doesn't like good things? Because, hey.
But that will be in the night too. In the night that we do that.
Come and walk and I'm ready for you. How do you catch that?
I give you. What is happening here? You disgrace me. For what now? Must you rub it on my face? Do me, stop well.
You don't tell me it's a mad woman you brought into this house. See if Lagos, you brought her all the way from Lagos to come and disturb our peace here. Can't me and my husband have a moment of peace in this house?
Emma, eh? Don't sorrow. You have 1 month. Lagos where I come from. If you like, they give you 15 now. If you want to collect it many times. You will remain in the village to make money there. And power idiots. If you not, I will show you this village. The few days that I've stayed here, I will show you that I've learned. Now, Jude over to you. If you know that we've gone through a lot together, if you know that we know how we started together, before you came to marry this 1 month wife, Jude must suffer. I'm telling you now. Oh yeah, Shekia. If you remember the dates, everything we've gone through together in Lagos, today, oh yeah, follow me. And if you know that you're the father of this baby, Jude, today, stand up and follow me. Tell me, oh Jude.
If you know you calendared me, and went to my father's house, brought me out, paid the bride price, did everything and the medicine wine to marry me. Get up, let me see you. Let her say it, let it work, let me see. In this compound. Nobody guys.
If you calendar me, if you monthly me, go, oh no, village wife, 1 month, all dead. I will show you this village. I have time for you. Animal fun. You 1 month, 1 month to the wife, 15 now they marry you. You go to dog. After them oh, baje! Unfair.
Did he get up? It's a volleyball. I can't go more. Is it you are mad? You are going nowhere. I didn't catch that. Abu, the wife to the king of Yam. No shaking out on cataract. Where be Nature? Jack with the camp. Ofe mwana puta ebe a gwere oje nka na asaghali ọnụ ka onye afọ na-asa. Hey, Jude, you want to like yourself. I'm going to go to Mama,
Mama. Mama, Mama. Mama. Hey! Hey! Ewa! Hey! Ewa no! Hey!
Uche, do not be afraid. An abomination has been committed in your household. Your wife and your son tried to kill this fish, but I neutralized the poison. They must perform sacrifice to appease the gods. Sorry for what everybody is putting you through. Be courageous and strong.
How can you think of such a thing? Hey! How can you think of such a thing? Hey! You wanted to kill somebody you will bury. Hey! You want to kill somebody you will bury. Chinedu. Hey!
Papa.
Hey!
Papa.
Hey!
Papa, we wanted him to rest so you can have peace.
You wanted to be SAG?
No, Papa.
Isn't it?
No.
Because of your greed and jealousy.
No, Papa, no.
Let me tell you, the SAG is sacred and untouchable. This is the height of atrocity. Hey, way. The height of atrocity. Obiageli. You will go back to your father.
Hey, okay,
float away.
No, I can't roll to
Obiageli.
Because I want now. Because I don't have a father.
And you, Chinedu. Your next school fee is what I will use to appease the gods. What have I done to you people in this house? What have you want to kill somebody you will bury? Out! Out!
Let me breathe.
What do you want?
My right thing will breathe too good.
Both of you! Let me pray! I want your heads! I said out! Will you get out? Out!
Let me go inside!
Obiageli!
Let me go inside!
Obiageli, your father's house!
We go inside!
Obiageli!
Sage, all these days we've been together now, it reminds me of the time when we newly got married.
You know the night is still early. These kind of things are done in the midnight or early hours of morning. Of course, I'll do it later, yeah? I'll do it.
My love, what are you doing with her? And what have you people been doing? See, he was with you yesterday, most of all. Today is my turn. So we are Butter, get out of here. What are you doing here?
It's not gonna. It's not gonna. So you don't know this is my room? You don't know you're a concubine? Look, he was with me yesterday. He is with me now and will be with me today, tomorrow, and one nature naga.
Just so you don't want to leave? My love, if you please know her. No problem, no beg you. Tell her, oh yeah, go water. Let her go out. If not, the one can be a CD to people in Lagos by pouring you salt water. I will do more than that. It is me now. It's no problem. Hey, you go watch Shashalan. Shashalan, over Shashalan, chocolate. So I will show you Lagos style. Sorry. Lagos style and the Gongo style. Oh, Tigori. Oh, my
Chineke. Hey! Chineke na me. Hey,
Shake. Oh yeah, DJ for water. Ori o pe.
Keko wo Chineke. Na, Ifaki Deli. We go Ezech. Ifaki.
I'll make you come out for here. You've been waiting me, I've been looking at you.
As if the penny in the pasta. Hey! Pass it down!
Sweetheart, what were you doing with her? You two, you are doing I'm not even feeling. Around to me. Mama need to relax. We shall drag this village together. Aratsumi, this is my space. Let me relax. Nonsense people. We don't talk finish. One man now on we will come. All of us will we this Igbo land. Oh, Monaji soup, oha lo ṣiṣẹ́ yẹn, oha láti happen àjẹrẹ.
Excuse me, gentlemen. Excuse me.
Yes, please. Did they call me? Yes. I mean, they call.
So, please. Good afternoon, gentlemen. Please, I'm looking for the house of one Mr. Jude Mbamala. Yes, Mbamala. He stays in Lagos, but he has come to his village.
Madam, the Jude wey me myself know. His name na Ubamalu, not Ubamala.
Yes. Please, can you direct me to their house?
But then wetin you wan go find for that war zoom na? Na heavy gbege dey that side o. But anyway, based on say me and you dey align well with the flow. I don't want to go worry no like this so. But because of you, I feel postpone my journey for just 20 minutes. But you go find me small change, small thing.
It's okay, don't worry. I'll give you something, okay? I'll give you something. Come into the car, just take me there.
You sure?
Why not?
You sure so?
Come in, I will give you something.
I know they play with my money, oh.
I'll give you something, good thing.
Okay. So before I go enter, I go put my slippers on. Male, this your motor call well.
Jumbo, how are you?
You sabi catch big thing well. Now wow, bros, you too much, Male, this not the Jude where they look for. Settle me, make I move. Now worry get me so like this. Cha, make it heavy, oh. Make the money pockish. Jude, what we land later now? In the evening, I go call see you.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Are you the Jude?
Yes.
You? Where's my daughter? So, where's my daughter? Yes! Where's my daughter? Where's my daughter?
Mommy!
Where have you? Where did
Mommy, I can't go! You know me too, Mommy!
Bukola. Tèmi ti bàjẹ́, ìwọ ọmọ yóò ti bà tèmi jẹ́, ó ti bà ayé mi jẹ́. Bukola! Just look at you. Ìwọ ọmọ tàbí ire tó wá láti ilé ire. Wo nǹkan tó wá sọ̀rọ̀ ẹ̀dá. You, have you forgotten your background? Do you know where you are coming from? Look at yourself. Look at what you have turned yourself into. What are you doing? You don't belong here. And you impregnated my daughter and abducted her. You! I'm going to... Wait, what did you say? What kind of useless love are you talking about? Love!
That's my husband.
Bukola. You've disgraced me. You've disgraced our family. Niwo. Emi Ereluronke Sikiratu Fashola. Emi Sisi Saleko. Emi Mama European. Just imagine. Omotemi be a child from a royal home. You, Bukola, finding yourself in this rotten, God-forsaken place. Oya, Afara, into the car. Oya,
me one motor koko.
Money, one motor
koko. Me one motor. I'm not going anywhere.
Boki,
ma.
Money, one motor for me.
Me one motor. Me one.
Oda, this. Kifiele.
Oda,
I know what to do. This is what you have turned my daughter into. A rebel. Just hold on. Then I will show you. Hey. Commissioner.
If you call any police, mommy, what? I will shock you. I will kill myself. I will slice myself. Oh, this is my husband. I love him.
I'm not calling any police again. I'm not calling anybody. I'm not
going anywhere.
Give it to me. Okay. Bukola nítorí Ọlọ́run òde ṣàánú àrè. Just look at yourself, Ureno. Look at the way you are looking. I mean, nobody will believe the background you come from. Imagine.
Mommy, leave background alone. There is no background in this matter. Background does not give real happiness. Mommy, I love Jude. And let me tell you the truth, Jude loves me too, Mommy.
Bukola, let me tell you something. I'm not going to allow you to stay here one more second. Do you hear me? You are going home with me.
Mommy, I'm not coming coming. Mommy, leave me alone. This is my home.
You look here. This is not your home. This is okay.
Mama Judu. Mama.
This is my home.
You will go. So you don't know you're a concubine? I am Jude's legal wife. Yes. Munye Zeji. Inuge. Go. Oh. So each and all maka, that's your plate that he washes in the midnight and in the morning. You are not staying. You will call and salute your mama.
Come, my dear girl. Oh, you can't insult my daughter like that.
That Uchiano. I sing you Uchiano, yeah. It's not getting them go on now. If you ever not Sulumo Yibo, and that was so did Waka come here. No, woman, let me just tell you. You should be ashamed of yourself. Look at your daughter. She waka alone all the way from Lagos. I know my care. I want Lagos. Can you imagine? Well, Danny over there. It was my son. You train her. She's not trained. We did not pay her bride price. No traditional rights. We don't know you people. You should be ashamed of yourself.
Oh my goodness, Bukola, for God's sake, look at the insults I'm receiving because of you. Just look at, imagine this one talking to me like that.
Oh! Because of you. It's not insult. I will show you insult. If you don't take this child out of this place, I will show you the stuff I'm made of.
Olúwa, èmi fúnra mi, èmi lele ń bá sọ̀rọ̀ báyìí. Ṣé mi lele ń bá sọ̀rọ̀?
I am Pastor.
You see how she's insulting me. This witch.
Witch? You are the one that is a witch, and your daughter.
I will show you how I fly in the afternoon.
What is this?
Mama!
Get inside! Jude, yes, Look, I'll break your head. Get inside! Jude, you must come with me. I'll break your head. Jude, yes, I'll get you. Go inside. I'll break your head. Okay. Hey! Obinna, have you seen it? Obinna, have you seen it? I told you. I knew it was going to generate to this. Look at all the insult heaped on me and the cheer like me. Hey! Alam.
Ife me, Onyiuke be my darling, my honey. I will never leave you. We're together forever, oh Ololufe. Ife me, Onyiuke be my darling, my honey. I will never leave you. We're together forever, oh Ololufe.
I did not see it. Where's my money? Don't push me again. I will not repeat myself again. Chile, where's my money?
I did not see any money. Did you give me any
money?
money?
Only the stays in this house. Papa cannot touch my money. Even Mama cannot touch it. I left the money on that table. Chile, where's my money?
What am I doing? I did not see any money. Leave me alone. Don't touch that belt, though.
Chile, where's my money?
I don't see any money.
Where's my
money? Chinedu, what is all this? Chinedu. So, if I did not arrive in time, you could have killed her. Chinedu, what have you done? I have to appease the gods before something terrible happens in my house. Hey, wait! Why did I procrastinate? I could have done it yesterday. Because there's no smiling face at all. Hey, wait!
Oh my God!
Kobe.
Yeah, what?
My love.
Kedo?
I went to look for you inside. You are not there.
I'm here, dear.
My love, see, I want to beg you for a favor.
What is it?
My waist, eh? Undo me.
It's penny.
Really penny me. Wapa me massage, Joe. It's a little. What carry the bead upstairs? It's penny me.
Must you snore the whole building down?
I was not snoring. I was sleeping.
No, I was sleeping. It's too much pepper and oil that you eat. That is why you snore every day.
I didn't know it's pepper. Mama, just your ugly every time. Mama, what is this now?
Every time your friend does your shrink, it's pepper and oil. Too much of it.
In this house, you don't let me rest. You don't let me be myself. Every time you be telling me what is it when? I'm trying to learn your language to satisfy you. You know, you hate me so much in this house.
I don't hate you.
You hate me.
I just want you to go. Go. You're not the wife. You need only one wife. The one that he has paid down for. Naba Nanyan.
Where am I going to, Mama? Where?
To your father's house now.
I'm pregnant for your son, Mama. I'm carrying your born baby. What is it?
Give me Messia.
What is it? Every time in this house I try to satisfy you. You'll be telling me Mama. What are you willing? I will carry something. You tell me I can't carry it. I will sleep. You carry tell me I will go away. You tell me Mama. This house will go way together. We go way together.
Ogechi, I pray you'll be the first person to give birth to a male child, so that you can be relevant and be respected in our community.
Why do you say so?
Because I overheard my father telling Uche that the only way the gods will compensate you is for you to give birth to the next SAG.
May the gods have mercy on me.
They will have mercy on you. He also said the first child of an SAG must be a son. That is how it has been.
Uche, I'm very scared though. Because the way I'm looking at that Ofemanu girl, she might just give birth before me.
Don't say that. You don't have to panic. She will not give birth to a son. Or one she will give birth to one. Don't panic. Or one she will give birth to one.
You just told me what Iche said.
I know I said that. Her traditional rites have not been done. Did they pay her rights? Did they do anything on her head? Don't worry. Eh? Thank you for seeing me. I'll just go back, eh? Kamlawa. You go. Oh. Don't panic. You go. Okay. I will see you. Don't panic.
Thank you.
Snoring like a big elephant. Jesus! I didn't know it was you. I'm sorry. I thought it was the Yoruba girl.
Mine was too hot inside. I decided to come and sleep outside here to take fresh air.
I went to church on Sunday.
Jikweze n'ubi na nni emumeji emumudo obidolu na bobo obidolu na bobo obidolu na bobo obidolu na bobo emumeji okadiru obidolu na bobo Jikweze n'ubi na nni emumeji emumudo obidolu na bobo.
Make sure you give the paracetamol to grandma, once she's done eating. Uche fokwala. Let me go to the roadside and buy card. You know go. Hello? No, don't worry. I'll soon be with you. No, go. No. I'll be with you soon.
Don't carry me.
Sorry.
My leg.
Sorry.
My leg. This leg is spinning me.
Sorry, my wife. Sorry.
Please, oh God. My waist.
Ndo.
Thank you.
Sorry.
Mama. Olaro. Yes. Olaro. My leg. Yeah.
Mama, please. Hey, Mama, Biko. Mama, please help us. She's in labor. She wants to deliver. Mama, this baby is also your grandchild now.
Sorry. My tummy. Sorry.
Oh, Chalukwando, you've gone to call the midwife, okay? Why call me now?
Mama, it's not like that. Please, now this is not time for this because you know I can help us.
Please, too much pepper and oil causes the pain. Okay, look, it's okay. I'll go and get the oil that will relieve the pain and make you deliver fast.
Thank you, please.
Yes.
Let's put her. Drop the bag.
Oh, wow. Sorry. You know.
Please, I'm sorry, my love. I'm sorry.
My leg.
Sorry.
Wait. I want to poop.
Wait, hold it.
I want to poop.
Hold it.
Sorry. I want to poop.
Mama, please don't shout on her.
Continue. Obaluba.
Has he entered?
It will relieve the pain. Okay, relieve the pain. Obalu.
Has he entered?
Okay, relieve the
What happened now? Mama, oh no, look at me, Jack. Which mouth will I use to talk this thing that I want to talk? Okay, talk to me now. Let me hear now. Talk to your mother now. What happened? What is it? Ogechi, I've told you to leave this old man alone. That the house belongs to you now. You are the owner of the house. Leave her alone.
Buki has given my husband the first male child.
Hey, Kusina.
Ndiche. That one Yemba, I was refused to send away. Has given birth. Birth to what? Or birth to male or female? To a son.
Hey!
To a son. Hey! So what do we do? Oh, Boba. Oh, Boba, no. My elders. This situation can only be likened to a situation where a man has a ball on his scrotum. If he tries to puncture it, trouble. And if he says, let me leave it, that's why you see the main trouble.
Wahala.
All the car, ebe to mad and ebe nagada. Eh? Oh, where she go begin? Come back here. If we so, I was going to go happy and happy. If I can so good, Obunike. Uche. As the head and custodian of our Emumeji, what is the way forward?
Iche Obiajolo. If we have to move forward, we should not leave all the problems for Uche Ndu alone. Because the cooking pot for the chameleon is also the cooking pot for the lizard. We have to begin to think of the way forward.
Together.
But Ndiche, two agama lizards cannot be in one territory.
That is true.
We cannot have two sons succeeding one AZG. If Obina's real wife gives birth to a son, that is when the main confusion will come.
No, the not. I don't think there will be confusion. Yes. Our gods are not gods of confusion. Yes. I suggest we should see Ozukambu. And then he will in turn consult the gods on this matter. Very, very correct. You have spoken well. We will go and consult the gods and know what they have to say. But I know I'm the custodian of Emumeji. But I will not go alone. Because I will phone you for Weke. So in that wise, Ichie Igbelu and Ichie Ndulwa, you will go with me. Yes, so let's go together. Ndemubeji, have I spoken your mind?
Yes.
And I will not give in to that. That was the report of trust me. You will surely say something. Gentlemen, I think this is a cause for concern because we were warned before. We were surely warned. Go Anuka, please. Take care of her. No. He has a sick wife, so let him go and take care of her. What I'm trying is that there is no way we can do this thing without it. Even considering what happened the other day, we are
See how he's eating. You're very lucky. You know some babies, you have to force them to eat.
This one can finish everything. Pot of soup there.
And it's so
that
cute.
is too young.
Agadi Abo. Agadi Abo with Mama Yongi. Father will marry. Nonsense. 30 years in the university, half degree. Won't be in check out. I'll never name one. Ajonwa show we bayen ne afọ.
See, pikin wey follow from back enter im mama belle. Na better pikin be that one.
Did she say they born me through the back? I will show her. She talking to me?
No. Na me she dey abuse, but don't worry, I can handle her.
Thank you.
Yeah.
My friend, this is very good. Let me use this opportunity to tell you something. Haven't you noticed that this girl, they call her a shoe where I come from? Devil, she's a devil. She and devil, they live in mini flats together.
You're right. Okay, you're right.
Can you imagine? But now that I've given birth, trust me already. I will show her Lagos. I will so deal with her now that I've given birth.
I trust you. Buki, I trust you. Buki, have you called your mom to tell her you've given birth?
Oh, already. Well, I called her. As I said hello, she just said hello. I said, Mommy, I'm sorry. Talk. I said, Mommy, please, I've given birth. I just want to tell you. Look, I don't like where you are. I don't like where you are. Leave there and come back home. If not. That dirty place.
Are you serious?
She was angry. She didn't answer me. Well, I just cut the phone.
Even when you're giving birth to our own grandchild.
I don't know my mommy.
That's so sad.
We'll leave that aside, Ojari already. I have gist for you. Before you came back home, I followed some people to this Igbo people's church.
Are you serious?
Already! I like the way Igbo people do praise and worship. It's different.
What did you like?
Igbo people. That is this pot thing with foam. Let me sing of it. Nagini lena sing. Bumbe shike big bum bum itabuni le nasi ebube pa ebube Jehovah imo marama ili marama na ulili le nasi ebube keke toko good women ebube Jehovah marama na bulile o la bulile o
already sit down, you will not kill me.
You will
Let
not
me
die.
teach you. Listen.
Oh yeah. Oh, my friend, you're using auto. Let me sing it in bars. Na brulile nasi ebube
ebube Jehovah maramba madunile nasi ebube Jehovah maramba maramba.
Hey, you put us extra.
Nema muamugu amuamuta malive. Nna muamu bakagu amuamuta malive o. Na nwagu to hunsa semisha agbodogo ni Igbo. Nwagu to hunse bia semisha agbodogo ni Igbo. Na nne m kuwe moto ma mgbe mmalụ na me. Na nna m kuwe moto ma mgbe mmalụ na na mụ. Ịma na okolo nke mụ nọgị n'egwu echi ofologbo. Ịmakwa na mgbogo nke mụ nọkwa n'egwu echi ofologbo. Mbogo bụrụ isi Eneke nke dị ụbọchị ya ụbọlọtọ ọkụkọ isi orotirio. The eye of the gods. Ozukampu. What did the gods say? Keep quiet! I am still communing with the gods. Mbogo bụrụ isi Eneke nke dị ụbọchị ya ụbọlọtọ ọkụkọ isi orotirio. The gods are quiet. They have not spoken. You have to go. Iche Uchendo. Go. I will send words across to you. When the gods speak, go. Nanema muamugu amuamuda malive. Namu muamugagu amuamuda malive. Nawaguda wunza semisha bodogonibo. Nawaguda wunza bagasibisa bodogonibo. Nanema moto mambe malona name. Nanema moto mambe malona name.
Where is your Ibo? Where is your Ibo?
Hey! Channel, no. Who are you?
Ibo!
You say you're not Ibo. Who are you?
Good afternoon, sir.
Keep your greetings to yourself. So, Bobby, keep your greetings to yourself. Oh, this is where hopeless jagbajantis, no identity like you, is keeping my daughter on stage. Have you met her?
Daddy B. Welcome. See your grandson, oh, fine boy.
Timbako Batifo, Timba for leti. Where grandson call? Oh, Buki, you have disgraced me. You have disgraced me. So this is where you are living. My daughter, the daughter of Otuma, Fashola Badmos. Baba Isaleko, Baba European, and by the special grace of God, one day governor of Lagos State. This is where you are living. You are a disgrace to my family. Yes, and my father will not forgive you.
Ikutelia, she's a disgrace. From your father's mouth to you, you are a disgrace to the family. You are an embarrassment. You are evil in the family. What is it that my son is giving you that no other man outside would not give you? Let me tell you what it is that my husband does. It is called Helen plate washing. That my husband, my legally married husband, illegally washes for her.
Hey, Ocho, Uki, did you hear that? Did you hear that? Which place is Onyiuke washing for you? Tell me, which place is Onyiuke washing for you that you want to die in this God-forsaken, poverty-ridden environment? Show me the plate and let me break it. Show me, I want to break it.
That plate is unbreakable. Let me talk what is in my mouth. That plate, it is unbreakable. You know that plate, it is in between the inner cackles. Yes. I never my illegally married husband. No matter your illegally married daughter.
Hey, Buki. So it's because of this thing between this Nollywood boys like that is why you come back your load all the way from Lagos to come and live here and live the mansion in Lagos. Buki.
But now I understand. So it is my son's Python.
that he uses on your daughter. Why not without us? So he moves to any direction. That is why your daughter has refused to go. It is better you follow your father now since you did not follow your mother. Because of Flaka, I can't just suji. I will pound you like pounded yam. I will pound you like pounded yam in this house.
Go. Tobacco batty for.
I'm sorry, sir.
Sorry.
You are stupid.
Let
Look, it will not better for you. You are telling me you are stupid. After you enter my house and embarrass my house and disgrace my family, you are telling me you are sorry. All right, I will deal with you. I will come back for you. And as for you, what? More for you.
If me, Onyiuke be my darling, my honey. I will never leave you. We're together forever. Oh,
Kola, don't do your law, mom. No, I pay me Uche. Don't do your law. Just look at the environment you are living. Just look at it. Let me take you back to home now, please. Let me take you back home, please. Joe, the man we are even talking about is married. His wife is heavily pregnant. Now, tell me, which responsible man will impregnate 2 girls at the same time? Tell me.
Daddy, please now. Emo, I love you and mommy so much. I won't intentionally want to hurt you. Daddy, please. Yes, he's married. But I understand. He has explained things to me. I understand the circumstance. Daddy, please. He didn't just do everything intentionally. John Tori along. He loves me, and I love him too, Daddy.
It's a lie. He's only pretending. He's a little boy. When they see money, that is how their eye will be shining. In fact, he's looking for my money. It's my money that is targeted. And as soon as he grabs it, he will just dump you and run away.
Daddy, he's not going to do that, Daddy. He's not going to dump me. He has done so much for me, Daddy. Papa, it is plenty things for me.
What has he done for you that I have not done for you? I say, tell me, what has he done for you?
Okay, Daddy, you know what? He was the one that's actually...
Bayo, give me that knife, make cut her breast. Bring her sharp because get as this place look like now. And don't touch this area now. Arrange them sharp, time no day. Boss, I suggest say, as this girl find like this, we for just like tidy her, for tidy her. Are you mad? We don't talk of money here, we are talking nonsense. Give me the knife. Yes, boss. But boss, this... Shut up! One shot. God.
Wait. God. Who were they even shooting at? Where were they, sir? We don't even know where they were. And now, how do we get out of this place? I'm robbers now. I know. Wait. Did you hear that? Are they coming inside the bush? Go where now? Let's know. But you know it's you that caused this thing now. You need to understand the person you are living with. Me, as this my SAG title, it gives me insight to know when there is danger. If you had listened to me, we wouldn't have gotten involved in this. We would have stayed at home today, but you insisted we should go. Now, see where are we now?
Guy, understand now. We are still hustlers now. Okay, I do anything bad when I say make we go hustle. Now hustling would they go now?
What if Bullet had met me today? What will happen to my traditional constituency?
Please, let's go.
Let's go. Go where, brother?
Let's go this way now.
Wait, come. See over there. Can you see? Wait. See, now it's a girl.
Let's go this way now. You want to go there?
Are we going to leave her to die there? Try and understand my...
Leave me.
Try and understand my position. As the SAG, I'm supposed to protect my subjects. I can't leave her to die like that. My conscience will not allow me go. Please, let's go.
But you just said that the SAG does not make you a Superman. Why
Why do you want to go and risk your life?
Even if I die saving this girl, I don't mind.
Okay, just...
Let me save her. Let's save her.
Just go. I'll watch your back. Yes, I'll watch your back for you.
You sure?
Go. I'll watch your back. Oh, yeah.
So, Daddy, that is what he has done for me. But if you will not accept him, it's better you just disown me.
Hey, Bookie, is it me you are talking to like that? That I should disown you? Oh, I'm sure this is not ordinary. This Igbo has given you something to eat, and I will make sure I neutralize it. In fact, I am going now. And by the time I come back, I will deal with you. Saidi! That I should disown you. Saidi! Let's go.
Emma wa jà bí báyìí, don't come and fight here. Ọmọ Igbo lágbára gan o. Daddy wọn lágbára, wọ́n ń jà o. A kú náà jẹ o. Wọ́n wá gbogbo ilé ìbá nítorí Ọlọ́run báyìí. What would I do now?
Ìfẹ́ mi, onye mbụ n'obi, my darling, my honey. I will never leave you, we're together forever, olólùfẹ́.
That must be the solution, and no more. Why are the gods silent? If not that Obina's doom is here.
Uche, I greet you, my fellow Ndememeji. I salute you.
Obina, you don't actually behave like the Ezeji of this community at all.
At all. Your father, Okadibo, did not behave this way. Why?
Also, all the former Ezejis before your father.
Exactly.
None of them behaved like this.
Why? But come, Ezeji, what is wrong?
The gods have been silent concerning the next Ezeji. Because your true wife is pregnant and is yet to give birth.
Uche, my fellow Ndememeji, I am surprised to say the least. Why must we deliberate over something that is clear? I have a son, you all know it. The one that was given birth to by Buki. The next Ezeji in line as the tradition entails.
Through who? The same woman you refuse to send away. Consequently, the silence of the gods means you must die.
Exactly.
For defiling our tradition and to pay for the for disrespecting our ordinance, or she shall die.
Then I'm ready to die. Yes, I will die for my love.
Does love and tradition.
Have you had him?
Why would someone die for the crime that she did not commit or know anything about?
This is the height of it. Something is wrong.
Ezeji of Obunike. So you want to throw away your position because of a woman? You want to sacrifice our tradition and custom on the altar of love?
Yes. Yes, if our God has decided to be inhuman and unjust to a woman who does not even know the crime that you people are putting on her, then I'm ready to die for her. At least so that she will be alive to take care of my son, the next Ezeji in line, as the tradition entails.
Hey! Ezeji?
Yes, sir.
Anya for Anya! Ezeji, what has that woman given to you?
True and undiluted love. That's what she gave to me.
Love. What business does love have with tradition? We must play with the gods to spare your life and tell us who is the next Ezeji.
I'm really... This whole drama is really surprising me. As long as we talk about it, it's making me sick. That we're still pleading to our God to unravel who the next Ezeji is, when I already have a son, through Buki, and I also have another wife who is pregnant too.
What applied during the time of your father has been changed by you. When a farmer sets fire on the bush, he forgets that the fire affects the fertility of the soil. Obina, a word is enough for the wise.
Uche, I have lived all my life to respect you, and that will not change. But one thing I want us to know today, circumstances had made me a husband to two women, and I love them. And it's my home, the Ezeji's home, not anybody's home here. I will manage it. Have a nice day.
This word he's dancing Surugede is enough for the wife.
Did he realize?
Surugede is the dance of the spirit.
He was with the elders.
What is enough for the wife?
Hey,
dancing the dance of the spirit.
You have been thinking.
Yes.
But I know what the problem is.
I've been thinking.
Papa, the main issue is who succeeds this SAG. And Obina's wife has given birth to a son as well. Then, the second problem is that the gods are still silent.
But do you know the third?
No, Papa.
The 3 months of blessing the SAG's son, which I'm supposed to perform, is at the corner. It is 4 days away, but the gods have not spoken.
Papa, so what will you do?
Ejom, Majuanya, if you ask me, who will I ask? This is too much for me. But if the gods remain silent, I will still perform my sacred function, because it is my right to perform such.
Papa, let's pray the gods will speak within the next 4 days.
Bring forth the child. Chibuo, the son of SAG Obinna Okadibo, on this day, which is the new moon preceding the Dikeh market day, I pronounce you the
Why all these transgressions and rebellions against the gods? Why? Couldn't you have waited for ages for the gods to speak? This child is not SAG's successor.
Yes!
Give this child back to his father. The ways of the gods are different from the ways of men. The gods have spoken.
Na-enweziri ya kwa nwa ya na-azụ ma ya amaghị mgbe o jiri ụgbọala otu ma alịka ya n'ezie. Enwekwakwa nwa ya na-azụ ọ maka amaghị mgbe o were otu were ike ya n'ezie. Agụba aneke agụba igogolo.
Where is this girl?
Ogechi! Please come out.
The elders are waiting outside now. What is wrong with you? Please come out.
Ozukampu. The women will soon be out with the babies.
That is the will of the gods. No one questions the gods. Yes. No one must question the gods. Yes.
Yes.
Who is this butterfly that takes itself for a bed? Don't you have tradition where you come from? Don't you? Will you get out of this place now before I consume you?
You are talking trash. If you think you have juju, I have the highest juju here. That is bigger than any juju for any universe. And I will use it to deal with you. I will tell you that I am a descendant of Ereko from Ijebu. There's nothing you can do.
I will show you the powers of the gods. Now, Uchendo, lebe when no hadaka. Lebe kuonyama. Iwa. Ola lungi tagore when even to
How long have you been in this job?
Ola lungi tagore.
I am an inspector. Yes. I'm an inspector. I will sack you. I will sack you.
Ola lungi tagore. Olwa no mume. Ola lungi tagore. Olwa no. Ibrugudu. Ola lungi tagore. When you to Melada nyere dike. Imana melada nyere dike. Imana melada ke jama dike. Melada nyere dike. Atumbi imana melada nyere dike. Imana melada ke jama dike. Onye gbara mmanwụ egwu ogworo isi eburu. Ụgba na nwata ezuwezu ọgbanyụcha ọkụ. Agụba ji mara onye ọkpụrụ isi. Ya! Melada nyere dike. Imana melada ke jama dike nu. Olwe na omume. Ori abaladiba. Hey!
Ogechi. Bring forth your son, Obidike. You are welcome, Obidike, the next Ezeji. When you grow of age, you will be initiated into Emumeji proper. Obinna, come and have your son. Otumba Badmus Ayodele Fashola, the son of Aderepo, the grandson of Abiodun, and you are the Onakakampo of Egba land.
What is happening? Baba, I'm sorry. I'm very, very sorry. So you know me too well like this?
In the universe, we are all one. Our gods do their things in mysterious ways. This particular Ezeji has been destined to marry 2 wives. He is the first to marry 2 wives in many years. Yes, the gods chose Ogechi's son because she's in marriage. The same gods also said that Obina's son with your daughter will not live outside. And that is why you must allow the father of your grandson to come and perform Bukola's marriage rites. Their union will bring peace and love between your people and my people. Their love is love of destiny. Ogechi, you must make peace with Bukola. And as for you, Obinna, your blessings are on the way.
Abianubi Jibweze Eha eham Abianani Jibweze Eha eham Jinebuta for juju buto biangoli obode bili nudo Jinebuta for juju buto biangoli obode bili nudo Obidolu na bobo Obidolu na bobo emumeji oganiru Obidolu na bobo Jibweze n'ubinani emumeji emumudo Obidolu na bobo Obidolu na bobo Obidolu na bobo Obidolu na bobo emumeji oganiru Obidolu na bobo Jibweze n'ubinani emumeji emumudo Obidolu na bobo Obidolu na bobo Obidolu na bobo emumeji oganiru Obidolu na bobo Jibweze n'ubinani emumeji emumudo Obidolu na bobo Obidolu na bobo Obidolu na bobo emumeji oganiru Obidolu na bobo Jibweze n'ubinani emumeji emumudo Obidolu na bobo